Hi friends, today I will serve this hair straightener from Amazon. I'm gonna use it right now to show you how it works. Came in this box. This is a testimonial, and this is our hair straightener brush. As you can see, it's small. Looks good. Let's try it. My hair is already dry. I'm gonna use it in this side first to show you the difference between the both sides. I'm turning it on. It's in her maximum temperature. And we will wait till the brush gets hot. I can feel it. So this brush is, as here says, 5-guard temperature, and this called comb teeth, as you can see, like this way. Take 30 seconds heating up, that's great. And you can use it to straightening and curling because the form of the teeth of this brush help you to use it to both. So it's already hot. And I'm gonna straighten this side. I love that the hot part is inside, so I can touch my brush without worries to burn my hands. I have so much hair, so this will take time. So look the difference. This side is almost already totally. But you can see the difference now because look, this is my normal hair. And this is the side that I already straightened. So as you can see, it's so easy to use. My hair looks gorgeous. It's so styling. And I'm just trying to make a little curl here to show you how you can use it for the both stylists. Look, this is a little curl. I love it. So I highly recommend this brush for you. See you.